Hey, what's going on with it, ladies and gentlemen, fanboys and fangirls alike? This is the one, the only Mr. Criticism Guy 2009, aka Nintendo Free 2011. And yeah, before I do begin real quick, I don't know if any of you guys saw my other video. I'll try to do something special for 150 this Friday, even though it's Wednesday right now, but it's probably going to be posted on Friday. We'll see what happens. So, without further ado on that, let's get this thing started. I don't have any clips or anything to show you guys, but I can show you this at least. So I might do a part 2 in this video as well too. So this is coming out from like CBS 5 out in the Bay Area, San Francisco. I don't know, shout out to, I know Jay Miller Speaks High, and he lives out in Oakland, the Bay Area, so dude's really chill, definitely sub to him. And so here it is. I know computer's kind of going slow, but just bear with me. San Francisco KPIX5, after KPIX5 reported on Google's mysterious project on a barge off Treasure Island, reports has surfaced of the technical giant building similar floating structure outside of the Bay Area. A reporter appearing in a Portland, Maine Press Herald showed shipping containers stacked on a barge in Maine, with the structure appearing virtually identical to the Bay Area barge. Also, an unconfirmed report suggests that a Google barge is taking shape in New London, Connecticut. So there's a couple other articles. I'll probably post them down in the link below so you guys can read them yourself, because my voice is going to be worn out really hardcore because I just finished doing 4 of the videos just now. So yeah, all I can say on this is I don't know, one of the CEO giants or whatever, like I said, he wanted to live forever. Now I'm not sure if this is going to be a safe haven, a new like under the dome type of radar kind of thing that happens in the future, like you hear in so many different sci-fi movies, cartoon animations, etc., trying to bring the fantasy into reality. I don't know. It's probably going to be mostly exclusively for like billionaires. It probably might end up being like that movie Elysium, the one that was in Matt Damon and Jodie Foster a couple months back, or like earlier this summer. So I'm not really sure about this thing. Could be good for the billionaires. Probably going to be bad for the rest of us, our normal average dudes that or women that like either they're taking care of our families, looking out for each other with friends and stuff like that. Or if you're a single dude like me that's been single at least about 3-4 years, hey, you really don't have nothing to worry about but your own back, sweat off your back. Yeah, the only 2 things I will say is, yeah, it's probably, like I said, it is going to be for the billionaires. They're probably going to have their own little technology where it will advance forever. There's that. And the second thing is that besides their nanobites making them alive, they're probably going to have like underground, like maybe deep underground military bases just strictly for them, with all the banksters and the elites. They're probably going to be under there or in outer space. Who the hell on God earth knows? We'll see what happens in the future if we're still alive and lucky enough to see it. So, like I always say, is what it is, ain't what it ain't. See you when I see you guys. Have a good day, have a good night. If you're out around the world, don't drink or smoke weed at the same time. Don't do anything reckless. And I will talk to you guys soon, alright? Peace out, lates, goodbye, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Like I said before, just in case you guys didn't catch me saying it the first time, I'll leave all 4 of these links down in the description box below. So expect this video out to be on Friday, even though it's a Wednesday. And yeah, happy Halloween, just in case any of you guys are celebrating it, alright? Talk to you soon, and I'm out. Late.